wish ko lang kay Ate Luz, good health at saka alagaan niyang mabuti yung sarili niya. Laging masaya lang. Enjoy lang ang life, Mother. Andito lang kaming mga kapatid mo. Laging nakakaalala sa iyo. Lalong-lalo na ngayon sa kaarawan mo. Happy birthday!
Wish ko sa'yo long life and good health. Stay happy always. Happy birthday, Mother! Happy birthday! Love you!
Sana na-enjoy ka namin ngayong araw na to, na birthday mo. Remember, love ka namin lahat. Kasi ikaw ang panganay sa lahat. Medyo makulit, no? Happy birthday!
Alam ko marami tayong pinagdaanan pero nandito pa rin ako, nandito pa rin tayo. Salamat ako sa'yo dahil ikaw ang panganay at ikaw rin naging silbi na naging nanay natin. Alam ko na maaga tayo naulila kaya maraming salamat. Ate Luz, happy birthday!
Sana humaba pa ang buhay mo at saka maging masaya ka. Simula sa araw na ito, naging masaya tayo. Hanggang sa wakas ng panahon, kailangan maging maligaya tayo. Nakita ko kasi ang kaligayahan mo ngayong araw na ito.
Happy birthday, Mama Luz. I hope you feel happy and healthy and strong.
Ikaw yung parang naging tayong nanay, tatay. Kaya malaking pasasalamat namin sa'yo. Yun lang, happy birthday. Happy 70th birthday. Sana sa susunod uli, merong ganito. Thank you, Mother. Love you. Saranghe.
Lagi ka nandyan para sa akin hanggang sa nagkaanak na ako. Wish ko lang good health, stay happy as you are. And then, I love you, Ate Luz.
Alam ko, you are healthy and strong. I declare, all is well on your body, from the top of your head to the soles of your feet. In Jesus' name. Love you. Saranghe.
Give our dreams to the rising sun. Make our way, we have just begun. We're closer to heaven, there's so much.
You are so blessed having your family to take care of you and to love you as always. We love you, stay healthy and stay blessed. Happy birthday!
Make our way, we've just begun. We're closer to heaven, there's so much ahead of us.
Hello, Luz. Happy birthday! Kaya maraming pang birthday na dadaan sa ating buhay, Luz. At pagpalain tayo ng Diyos na magsama tayo ng habang buhay. Patuloy kitang alagaan habang buhay at paglilingkuran. Kagapay mo ko. Happy birthday, my sweetheart.
Leaving all of our doubts behind.